Hi everyone, if you're watching this video, you want to transform your room with new flooring, and I will show you what was before in this room. I want to start install floor in this area. It's really small job, approximately 140 square feet. By this doorway I have to remove carpet here, some squeaks, fix some squeaks, undercut these closet doors, and then install floor, baseboards, and transition as well. So let's go. First of all, we need to take this door out. Carpet we can cut on the middle of the doorway. It's like this. Just take the pencil and we keep going. Just keep going. When you put transition and close the door, you don't have to see the transition from this side, and from this side you don't have to see the carpet in the hallways, okay? Just like this, and then here's I need to remove this bottom holders for sliding doors. So easy store this part. You don't want to lose it. You just put piece of tape right here and all bolts. Now it's all secure. Look at this. Smart, yeah? Now don't tape it because you need to take this wood strip from this side. Just pull bar. regular pull bar from Home Depot. we will put this right here. Okay? Put it here. Так. Need to break it to the half. It's too sharp. Okay, half. And put it right here. What I want to show you, this is very important. Why? Because this piece all from both sides, it's sharp. So if you put it in the plastic bag or just, I don't know, without the foam, you can make damage for your hands. So, but if you put it in the foam, it's gonna be very secure, not moving, just like this. And then we can put tape. Nothing, not falling down, anything, just look how it's secure. Keeping in mind if you want to do it to... I prefer sweep the floor because when I'm sweeping I see where they left some nails and staples and I can remove it, but when I'm vacuum it, it's hard to see. Now I'm going to screw down the whole floor because it's squeaky and some sheets it's moving. Okay, and nails sometimes too high, I have to hit it down.